Hey everybody, in this video I wanted to talk to you about pool timers, and let's just say that they're not working properly. I'm going to tell you about what to check for in this video. And so here we have two of them, and one is running a filter and one's running the actual pool cleaner. And so from time to time what will happen is you'll run into where the time is not correct, okay? And so this one actually is not correct, but I'm going to show you just in this video exactly what's going on. So let's pretend that it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm at this customer's house, but it's showing it, say, 5 o'clock in the morning. There's a few things that could be going on here that you're going to need to be aware of, and one of them could be the power going out. If the power goes out at a customer's house, say for an hour, this time is going to be off an hour. If it goes off 2 hours, it's going to be off 2 hours, and so you're going to want to manually set the time back to the correct time. Okay, every now and again I will not hear this sound. If you can hear, you hear like a gear sound. Okay, so what can happen is that there's a motor on the back side of this dial. Okay, there's a motor on the back side of the dial. The whole purpose is to keep track of time. Okay, so how you're going to tell if it's working, besides listening, is you're going to look in this port right here. Now you see those gears moving. That is exactly showing you that it works. Okay? If those gears were not moving, then what happens, what that means is the motor needs to be replaced. This is pretty much, let me see here. This is pretty much what it'll sound like. If you get to a pool and there's no sound, then typically, that means that this motor on the back side is not working. Now, since you have two of them, you may be hearing this one. So don't rely on that. You're going to rely on the port. So right now, if you look in there, the gears are not moving. So we're going to turn it on. And if you see, now the gears are moving. So that's what you're looking for. It's as simple as that. To replace the motor is going to be essentially taking this off. You're going to unscrew that, but you have to make sure that the power is off, because sometimes they're 220 volts going to the little motor. You would pull that off. You would see the motor. It's pretty much self-explanatory after that. There's going to be two wires that you're going to have to disconnect. But if you're not familiar with electricity, I would definitely call your pool professional to actually do the replacement. But just in case you are a handy person and you would like to change it out, you do have say a burned up motor, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can pick one up. But just remember, this port up here, you want to see the gears moving, that's going to mean it works. So if the time's off, it's going to be the power that has been off for a certain amount of time. So I wanted just to show you this video because a lot of people do not know. They don't know what's going on or how to fix it. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and like the video, and then you'll be alerted when I upload another video. All right, thank you.